Now today I'm going to be changing the O2 sensor on this 2008 Honda Civic Hybrid. Now some of the symptoms of a failing O2 sensor be bad fuel economy, black smoke out the tailpipe from running too rich, stalling, hesitation, misfires, etc. And this car has over 138,000 miles on it. It's showing some codes of misfire, O2, catalytic converter, emissions fail, all that good stuff. So go ahead and start changing the O2 sensor now, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Alright, now here's the front of the car, passenger side. Look around, oil cap, and right there's the blue wire you can see is our O2 sensor. So that'll be easy to reach. Now before we start, we're going to go ahead and unplug the old sensor. We'll go ahead and take this cover off right here. Set it to the side. Down in there. Get your hand back there. Pull that right there. Now to make it a little easier so I can reach in there, I'm going to go ahead and take apart this top part of the airbox. Now simply using a 10mm and loosen these two bolts here that hold the bottom half of the airbox on. Pull up a little bit. There's no clamp on this lower section, so should be able to pop it out. There it is. Just like that. Now we have more room. Alright, now I hope you can see this, but here's a new one. You see right here there's this little clip you can push to release it and pull it from the other end of the plug-in. Which sounds easy. It's just like a space down there. So see if I can show you. There we go, unplugged. Alright, now time for the O2 sensor. Now you can either A, use a special tool, or just use an open-end wrench. And there we go. Now that it's broke loose and it's unplugged, it's a matter of reaching in there and turning it by hand. just like that. Now you'll want to use a supplied compound that came with it around the threads only. Do not get it on the sensor. And we're just going to reach back in there. And tighten it by hand as far as we can go. Once you get it as hand tight as you can without using the wires, do not pull on the wires. Come back with the open end wrench, slide it down in there. And proceed to tighten it down without over tightening it. You don't want to get it too tight. There we are. That should be good. Now with our wiring, we're going to route it back over. We're going to use that little piece right here back in the holder. Down there, it just slides in place. Then we're going to just bring it back around over here. And plug it back in. And that's it. And of course, reinstalling the airbox and everything else. Now make sure that when you are reinstalling, don't forget to plug up your mass airflow sensor here. Make sure everything's tight and everything's clamped. Put the cover back over the coils and you're good to go. Alright, now there it is. The upstream O2 sensor is changed, in place, good to go. Everything's tightened down, everything's put back together. Now with that airbox, the lower half of it, you will have to twist that, get it right back locked into that rubber piece. Everything else is pretty simple. So hopefully this saves you some time and money, and I hope to prove helpful to you. As always, thanks for watching.